Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are all going to watch this video. It's a Russian artist, a Russian troupe, a Russian opera apparently. Shout out to Alex94 who recommended this, sent it over. So the vocal is by Evgeniya Sotnikova and it's taken from a Russian play called Prince Igor. And the music video, this particular one, is accompanied by scenes from the 1952 Russian film titled Sadko. So, and the title of the track translates roughly into Fly Away on the Wings of the Wind. So, Fly Away on the Wings of the Wind. Let's see what we're going to get here. I really don't know what to expect at all with this one. So we are going in blind. Some of us aren't. Some of you get to watch in amusement as you experience the reaction. So let's check this out. Those synths are delicious. That electronic work right there is fantastic. Reminds me a lot of Vangelis. It sounds beautiful. Ooh. Okay. This is incredibly well produced. What a composition. So really interesting vocals. Obviously, I don't know what the vocals are saying, but very ethereal, very smooth, and just grand. And the bass line, all of the instrumentation, the instrumental is great, and the drums too. It's just incredibly well produced. I'm loving it. This movie looks good as well. So that was a composition that sounded really grand, really epic, like a movie soundtrack, like a score. Had that emotional side to it. Those drums and just the entire production side of things was just fantastic, I thought. And the vocal really fit in with it. It was kind of like haunting, but just incredibly beautiful. Just incredible track. I thought it was. I couldn't stop bobbing my head to it. So, man, that was cool. Evgeniya Sotnikova with "Fly Away on the Wings of the Wind," Russian operatic singer and aria. So interesting stuff. We'll see you all soon. Peace out, my friends. Bye bye. On the next thing. What? Yeah.